I will leave a parts list in the description. This is the finished job. I started off with the material and I measured it 1.5 inches off the outer edge all the way around it. On the inside, it's 3/4 of an inch for it to poke through, right there. I use the edge to create the radius, the inside and out. Cut a hole through it so I could start cutting from the inside out. That's the inside. Then I used Scotch-Brite and scratched up the outer surface so when you apply the glue it has better holding capability. I ran a line from the center to the very front to get my center line. And the center box is measured roughly 30 inches from the center of the fin in the back to the center of the fin in the front. I taped it off. Used Scotch-Brite to rough up the area. Then wiped it down with acetone, both pieces, fin box included. Hot glue on both fin box and the board. Then I taped it down to make certain. That's it being removed already. Then I set up for the other part. Then I Scotch-Brite and wiped down the area with acetone. Now I prepared the final patch that's going to go over it. I put painter's tape on it so it's easier to manipulate it from the front side. And then I prepared it, wiped it down with acetone, and then applied the glue. Applied the glue on that area. When you apply this, it's very easy for this thing to get stuck. You got to be very careful. So once I got it in position, then I took a shim and basically worked the glue to the outer edge. That's the finished job.